Now, we recorded the outside of the property, we added the photo documentation of our damage and a video, but we can add more. We can also add a 360 tour directly with any 360 camera, Insta360, Ricoh camera, whatever you prefer. We tap on the plus in the photo section, camera, and we select 360 as an option, right? Now, it's connected to my camera. If your camera is new, you never connected it before, no panic, simply tap on the settings wheel and you can pair your new camera. You will get some instructions to be followed and you're good to go. Now, I don't need to touch the camera at all. I simply tap on the white dot here on the magicplan app. It will take the photo automatically. Okay, here we have it. We can tap on play and take a look around. Here we have the damage. We can zoom in, we can zoom out. If there's something sensitive, like people's faces that you would like to hide, you tap on edit and you can use the redact option, so you will hide what it's not needed. And you can also add annotations. So for example, here, arrow, we can add it there where we have the water damage. Tap on done, save all, and the 360 panorama has been added. Perhaps we would like to add one more panorama, so I'm gonna move a bit more in front of me and I'm taking a photo from here, so I have a different view. Same thing, we tap on plus, camera, 360, it's connected, we tap on the white dot, photo has been taken, here it is, and we can also play the photo and take a look around. Okay, we're happy, save all. Now, if we open here the photo section, we tap on see all and we go on the export toggle here. You see that we have the option to export 360 tours directly, so we can tap there. We can also rename our project and we can add a description if we want and see if we're happy with this photo info. We publish the 360 tour. Okay, give it a sec. Now you can see that we have this picture here and we can also switch here with the miniature and see all the 360 photos that we took. We can also hide the miniatures if they're disturbing our view, and you will see all the details, and also everyone that will get these 360 tours will be able to interact with the image. So everyone, client, colleagues will be able to see all the details from the ceiling to the floor.